Чё, ты чё, дебил?
Мне нравится возле этого поворот, где очистные, как говорил. Оу, ебать.
Не рассчитал раз.
Все, да, рулю.
Da sind hier bitte schön viele Leute. Kann er nicht einfach in die Elbe fahren? Das wäre super geil. Oh! Alter!
She already did this once. She just drove. Okay.
So she knows that now.
Well, this is the second time she's done this. So she should now drive to the so that it's on the driver's side. The tank is on the driver's side.
The same side as her, right?
Yes.
Okay.
But she pulled a circle last time. No way is she going to do it again. Now she's going to back into the right. Yeah. No, she had it. If she would have... No. Oh, no.
Is she just going the same...
No, she would have had to pull around... Oh, no.
Does she just not know which side the tank is on? Or does she think she's...
No, she knows. She has to know. She just saw that it's not on the passenger side. Okay, so she's pulled up again on the wrong side. Hang on.
Whoa, that person just whipped in there real quick, like.
Hang on. Is she gonna realize it? Does she see it? She walks right past the gas tank. Okay. So now she's got it. Now she's got it.
She has to.
So which one is she going to pull into? She'll pull around to
the other side.
Yeah, she'll go to the other side.
Or
so,
even this over here.
Yeah, she could back up. She could back up and get into it.
Okay.
What's she doing? She's pulling around. Okay.
Great. She's not.
Oh no. Oh no.
She did it again. There's no way.
No. No, she's pulling. Oh, this. Oh,
she's backing up. Maybe she didn't notice.
No, she's getting out of the car. She's getting out of the car.
Again?
Oh my.
He's floating.
Going the wrong way.
Какво правиш, бе?
Какво правиш, бе, педерас?
Какви ги вършиш, бе?
Какво стана, бе? Какво стана?
What are you doing?
Вземи му номера!
What are you doing?
Why are you backing up? We have a camera. He backed in. Why are you backing up? You did.
Lama tak buat kereta ni. Itu lane sebelah, bang. Aduh.
What is this guy doing? What are you doing here, bro?